Sridhar sir, I'll come on one more question to you. Can the aerospace and pharma city corridors create self-sustaining residential ecosystems like the IT parks did, or will they remain industrial hubs?
I think government is looking to develop, it's a 360 degrees. They don't want just a pharma city or just an industrial corridor. They want all kinds of infrastructure, social infrastructure, sports infrastructure, everything in place. The government is working towards that. And most of the people might be thinking from outside that how can this address about the water issue or electricity kind of thing. Telangana government, luckily, earlier government and this government also, thinking way ahead of our requirements. Even for our pharma city and fourth city, we have a Shivanaguda reservoir which is going to have around 30 TMC. That means whatever we had earlier putting together our water requirement reservoirs, whatever we have for Hyderabad, only Shivanaguda reservoir will be around 30 TMC. So government is thinking way ahead of all those things. And definitely it might take 5 to 6 years to get the social infrastructure in place. But government realized only industrial development will not get the, a person working there, if he has to travel to the city, he takes around 1.5 hours to come to the city and go back. Half of his energy is wasted in this transportation. So government want the transportation to be reduced, and in that case the travel time will be reduced. Government wants all social infrastructure in place, schools. I think already we have 4 or 5 international schools in those areas. Transportation system, power, surplus power. They are also looking at sports infrastructure, so that they don't have to come to this part of the city. People living in fourth city doesn't have to travel to Hyderabad, Secunderabad or Cyberabad. They will have all kind of infrastructure there itself. When they start now, it takes time. For building everything, it takes time. Hi-Tech City was first foundation laid in 1998. Now we see where we are. In 2006, the ORR foundation has been laid. Now the complete ORR, when ORR was laying down, everyone thought who will come in this area. Now we have all high-rise towers around ORR. So same thing with RRR. Government wants all industries to be moved out of ORR. Inside the ORR, they want these industries to go out of ORR between RRR and ORR. These are the good moves.
Thank you so much, sir. I think we have a little paucity of time, so I'll request one question to each participant, but quick 1-minute replies at best. Nandakishore sir, I wish we had more time.